Rosemary Pimentel is from El Salvador. Her husband is living legally in the U.S. They have been separated for almost 20 years. In 2015, Pimentel's husband learned of a program known as CAM that could bring his wife and daughter to America.
He sent an application. Then some time passed, and U.S. officials called me and said we would have to go to San Salvador for the program.
Pimentel is talking about the Central American Minors Program. It allows parents and legal guardians who are in the U.S. legally to bring children from El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras to America. The program is part of the U.S. Refugee Admissions Program.
And when a parent has a child who's eligible for the program, there are certain other family members who can sometimes be added to the application. But the idea is to enable that family reunification here in safety in the United States.
15 Republican states opposed to the program are suing the federal government. They argue the program was not authorized by Congress and that it increases the incentive for people to enter the U.S. without authorization.
In order to have true, meaningful, long-lasting solutions that endure beyond administration to administration, we really need an act of Congress.
In response, immigration advocates joined a lawsuit against the Republican states. They represent families that would benefit from the Central American Minors Program. Immigration experts say the program has pluses and minuses.
Helping to circumvent the informal systems that have developed over time to facilitate the journey to the U.S. And by that, I mean smugglers, or as others may call them, coyotes, that family members pay to have children escorted through that journey. There are also concerns around child safety, because the very nature of the program, as I noted before, is in-country processing.
Rosemary's daughter was able to legally travel to the United States once background checks and documents were fully processed. But Rosemary's case stalled when the Trump administration closed the program in 2017. Advocates sued the Trump administration over that decision.
They achieved a settlement in that case, and as a result of that settlement, approximately 1,600 people have already come to the United States as CAM parolees.
In 2020, Rosemary was able to reunite with her family. At the airport, the first person Rosemary saw was
my daughter, and then my husband, too. He was with my daughter, and it was so emotional. I was so happy because we were together again.
The Biden administration has reopened the CAM program, but with legal battles still underway, the future of the program is still uncertain. Aline Barros, VOA News, Washington.